Composite. Why, how, and if? And why don't more people build with it? Michael, these guys have just started building composite. Really? I thought they were building Moranti. Yeah, no, that was last week. This week, Joel woke up and they're building composite. How are they storing the panels? I'm not sure. How are they lifting the panels? I'm not sure. If you're not sure, and I'm not sure, I don't think Joel's sure, because the facility that you need to build a fully composite caravan, from everything to storing the panels, to lifting the panels, to moving the panels, are precise, and it is so different than any other caravan manufacturer out there. You can't just wake up Wednesday and decide, I'm gonna build a caravan. Hey, look over here, old mate here is just moving a whole composite panel, and no one has a moving dolly, trolley, whatever you want to call it, like that. But here at Crusader Caravans, we have to store our panels in a select and succinct way. No one has pallet racking that's going to be able to hold these panels. No one has dollies to move them around. You know how most caravan manufacturers get a composite roof on a caravan? I do, because my mate used to work at a caravan manufacturer that we went to prep together. So I trust his word like it's the gospel. Hello, Jacob. And you know how they get caravan roofs on? Yep. 4 blokes lifted them up and a broom, with a lot of grunting, a bit of swearing, and a bit of, why the heck are we doing this again? And you know what comes from that? Strain. And when you're straining, it's no good. That's what the doctor says. And if a doctor says it, that's fact. Am I right, Dr. Jenny? Please come back from retirement. Now, we have all of our panels all categorized, stored in a perfect manner. This is a material that requires extreme care and handling. You can't just lift it up, bend the thing, move it around. It needs time, it needs effort, it needs proper tooling. So if you're looking at a caravan manufacturer and they've woken up Wednesday, heck, even if they've woken up in January and we're May 2026 right now, I don't give a hoot. You need to do your due diligence, go to the factory. If they won't let you in, chances are not a good sign. Come down to Crusader Caravans, see our manufacturing facility, book a factory tour, because when you're educated on what you're looking to buy with your hard-earned super, hard-earned inheritance, hard-earned anything, we want you to put in the right place. Trust Crusader, trust Dreamhaven, and trust Composite, because this is the future and the only way that we and the whole caravan industry will eventually go. And for us, we woke up Monday, we're Composite. Tuesday, Wednesday, Composite. Thursday and Friday, wouldn't you believe, Composite. We've got one way with a team of 200 Australian workers putting these things together, hauling heck to make sure we build the van of your dreams out of the product that you deserve. Eco-light construction, fiberglass outer, XPS center, fiberglass outer. Nothing better than that manufacturer. And who to trust? Crusader Caravans. Because if we're taking this much effort storing the panels, we're sure as heck taking effort lifting and moving and running the wire in your panels. Nothing but the best for you, Mary, you delicious little thing. We'll see you there.